Guess what came in the mail today?
He's nuts. Got it.
Just kidding, but yeah, guess what came in the mail today? My ECU. It's finally here. I've been waiting for it for like 2 weeks now, and I'm just excited about it because I can finally start the car, and we'll see if it allows me to go past 5,000 RPM because of the immobilizer. HA Motorsports hooked me up with the ECU Immobilizer removal, and they do pretty good work, man. I've had my my hatch right here. When I first put it all together with the turbo kit, I had HA Motorsports send me a base map to run the motor just so that I can get it to my tuner, and it worked out pretty good. First crank and it started right up, so that tells me it's a pretty good base map, even though they weren't here to check the parameters of everything. But they got it going, it started right up. Right now, it's time, guys. It's time. Let's open up this box and check out what's inside and plug her in and see what it does. This is what we want right here. Let's see what we got here. Damn. Nice little decal. Sweet. HA Motorsports, guys. Check them out. And here's what we want. Bam. Ooh. Still looks the same, but it's what's on the inside that counts. Alright, yep, I did put the cluster up here from the Acura CL Type S. It is way too big and it will not fit. But I did extend the wires for the cluster plugs for the harness all the way from there to here. Looks pretty good, but I'm gonna cut probably parts of here to get to fit in here. I'm just gonna try and make it look as stock as possible and hopefully have the cover be able to still cover it, but if not, it's okay. I might be able to fabricate something, but for now I'm just gonna cut off some tabs maybe here and just see if I can just slide it in. But for now, that's where it's gonna sit.
once again, shout out to HA Motorsports. Thank you guys for that immobilizer removal on my ECU. Excited, happy with it. If you guys want, check them out. They got a ton of other things that they offer, like base maps. They do wiring. They also do chips, socket installs, and all that cool Honda stuff that you guys, you guys need. So check them out, hamotorsports.com. Once again, thanks guys. Check me out next time.